Okay, things are really coming together. We have the wine crate, courtesy of the Metropolitan Market and Sherry, our friendly wine merchant down the street. And it turns out everything fits. I'll show you. First we have the wee woody Rembrandt press, which is my first choice for the printmaking teachers in a box. It fits in there like that. And we have the paper mold and the press used in making paper. And that will go like this, and that will fit in here like that. And then, of course, the book, Print Pals, showing all the steps for making the press. And there's another one online for making the paper. And then there will be one for making plates and one for printing plates. And fifth, and finally, the highest level in Print Pals, finding a Print Pal somewhere in the world. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.